first up, make sure you have a caddy handy.
Oh, like a first aid kit for your house. Nice.
I am loving you.
Sweet.
Season 9, you are hot.
I'm on it.
She's on it. So start with a caddy. Make sure you have some simple things. Some of these may sound strange. Some vinegar, some hydrogen peroxide, some baking soda. I'll come back to why in a moment. Some nice soft cloths to clean.
Okay.
And also, surprisingly, a couple of pieces of bread will help as well. But make sure you have a caddy handy with all of these items. Broken glass. Let's start with this. The first thing you should do is put on some rubber gloves to pick up the large pieces, or use a dustpan, basically, to pick up the larger pieces of broken glass. I'm not going to do that right now, but just to give you an idea of how this works. So get rid of all the larger pieces of glass.
Right.
And then, surprisingly, bread can be used like a sponge.
To get the little guys.
Watch.
That's a really good one.
Look at that. So the bread...
Yeah, look, the glass sticks right to it.
And so we'll pick up...
that's great if you have animals in the house, too.
Absolutely.
Their little paws and pads. They can feel those teeny tiny pieces that you can't even see.
And it picks up all of the
And that
shards.
gets all of the dust. That's brilliant. That's
so
a really
simple,
good safety tip.
Easy thing to do.
I love that. That's really good. That's an excellent one.
Let's move down the
Good
line.
job.
A little bit of water and some shaving cream. Hold this
Shaving cream?
This will sound amazing. Check this out. So the next thing is, if people have left traipse mud all over your carpet, first thing you do is, let's just make this a little worse than it might have been. You pick up all the excess mud first. So pick all this up. Then shaving cream, please.
Shaving cream, sir. Check.
On the carpet. So essentially what you're
doing... See, now that looks like a frat party to me.
Essentially what you're doing is giving your carpet a bit of a shampoo. Someone will tell you that I have used way too much shaving cream right now, which I have. Another dry cloth, please.
Yes, sir.
And a bottle of water.
Yes, sir.
I'm in a little trouble here. But
so it takes up steams. It's like a little inexpensive steam cleaner.
That's exactly it. A little bit of water on this, and then basically you simply mop this up.
Blot it away.
Mop this up.
And gets all the filth out. And you could also mention to that person they weren't raised in a barn. Next time, wipe your darn feet.
That's exactly it. So you'll see it lifts all of the stain up.
Good.
Okay?
It's a good one.